This is a piece called Chandelier. It's kind of like a visual expression of how I make music in general. So every candle here is a tape player instead. Just like a chandelier, each candle is similar but a little bit different, and you cannot see which light comes from where. It creates just one global lightscape, and here it creates one global soundscape. It's really difficult to discriminate the difference between this speaker, or this player and this player. On the other side there is like the workshop part, where I rebuild the loops when they break. It's based on loop tapes that I cut from recording I made, and they're just simply looping forever using gravity. So yeah, the sound itself was based on a recording that I made in a train from Kunysz to Tbilisi, and there was these ladies that sell khachapuri, and I replayed it in the room through different speakers with reverberation, delays, and in the end there was just the leftover of it, a little bit like light when it bounces around. You don't see the image anymore, you just see the color. So you can hear its vocal, but you don't hear anymore the original sample. It's loops of loops of loops that I re-loop in the space.